Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I bought another project. I'm not sure if it was a good idea or not, but right now I'm leaving my house in Wisconsin. I am on my way to Oshkosh Airport to pick this thing up. And yeah, we'll see if it's any good or not. I can't tell by the pictures whether it's actually worth rebuilding or not, but hey, we're gonna have a little fun looking at it. So for the past 10 years, I have been looking for one of these airplanes to come up for sale close by to me. And yeah, let's take a look at it, see if it's any good. I'm gonna let you guys take a peek at it too, and let you write down in the comments whether you want to see a video series on me rebuilding this thing, getting it flying again. Anyway, yeah, I'll let you know when I get there. Alright guys, so we made it back. I wanted to do a little bit more filming in Oshkosh because that airport is so freaking cool, but they had 60-mile-an-hour winds, hail, big thunderstorms all moving in. So I picked this thing up at Myers Aviation. Great guys to work with. They got me loaded up quickly in it so I could hit the road to beat the storm. But anyway, what you're looking at is an Avid Magnum. Okay, this is one of my favorite airplanes that was ever produced, and it's not produced anymore. And I really think that's what makes this stuff fun for me, is every part that I need, I have to hand build. You can't buy anything for them. So that really keeps the challenge high. But yeah, that's an Avid Magnum. That is an airplane that I've always wanted. It's actually got the engine on it that I've always wanted. It's 160 horsepower Lycoming 0320. That should really power that airplane nicely. So yeah, let's check it out. All right, guys, so this is a huge project. You guys let me know down in the comments below what you think. Should I rebuild this thing? Should I video it if I do decide to rebuild it? Or should we scrap it for parts? Yeah, leave me a comment, let me know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, because that is what actually builds these channels, and I need your guys' help if I'm going to continue making videos on stuff like this. This is going to be a long process, so stick around. There'll be probably tons of videos coming when I do start rebuilding it. So yeah, peace.